You did now, girl, you did now, you did now.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed to me. Yo, I'm glad I subscribed. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look. And it's for Valentine's Day, because you know Valentine's Day is coming up. So I contacted the lovely, her channel name is Ashley Adams, and her name on Facebook is Make Me Over Ashley, and she's an awesome makeup artist. She's just so inspirational and she teaches me a lot. She doesn't know, but I learn a lot from her. So asking her to do a collaboration video with me, and she said yes, and I was like, ah! So here we are doing this collaboration. It's a Valentine's Day inspired collaboration. So I just went with some matte red lips and just this kind of neutral eye, and it's just very simple and it's very easy to recreate. So if you will be doing this look, you won't be having any problems. On my lips, I'm wearing 3 lip pencils. That's it, no lipstick. So I'm wearing NYX Plush Red, this Airwoman lip pencil, and this brown liner on the outside. So it's kind of like ombre from darkest to lightest in the middle. So that's what I did. And my hair, I am out of my conical and crochet braids finally. So I'm going to put them in back soon, but I'm really sure if I'm going to do it. But I'm just giving my hair a break right now. This is not a blouse, it's a light flat iron. So head on over to Ashley's channel, go on and subscribe to her. I look a birdie tell me that she soon come to Jamaica. I'm just saying. Head on over to her channel, subscribe to her, and if you're not already subscribed to me, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter, all at NaturallyMsToya. The links will be in the description bar, and I will also put a list of the products that I use in the description bar as well. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
You did now, girl, you did now, you did now. Girl, I know you love me, I know you really love me, baby girl, I know you love me. Just tell me say you love me, and if you say you love me, then you really love me. And the day you say you love me, baby girl, cause of the creep, baby girl, I know you love me, I know you really love me, baby girl, I know you love me. Just tell me say you love me, and if you say you love me, then you really love me. And the day you say you love me, baby girl, cause of the creep, baby.
First time, it was the best and not the worst time. She captivated my mind with her slow wine. She grip me, wrap me up with love and make me so fine. She love me down and know a showtime, but she never know I saw the gangsters steal. When they come to bed, work and no time for play. Girl I twist up on a screen for the Lord she pray. She says, nah, do me love you and me nah go straight.
Girl, I know you love me, I know you really love me, baby girl, I know you love me. Just tell me say you love me, and if you say you love me, then you really love me. And the day you say you love me, baby girl, cause of the creep, baby girl, I know you love me, I know you really love me, baby girl, I know you love me. Just tell me say you love me, and if you say you love me, then you really love me. And the day you say you love me, baby girl, cause of the creep, baby.
And this woman I say she love me next to God. The way she all love me, it's like she getting mad. And every time we make it love, she happy never sad. Woman in a me made a broke out and gone bad, hey. And this woman she no flirty. She always clean, say she never get dirty. Oh damn, she beautiful, I tell you she worth it. I open up my bed, me work it, say what?
Girl, I know you love me, I know you really love me, baby girl, I know you love me. Just tell me say you love me, and if you say you love me, then you really love me. And the day you say you love me, baby girl, cause of the creep, baby girl, I know you love me, I know you really love me, baby girl, I know you love me. Just tell me say you love me, and if you say you love me, then you really love me. And the day you say you love me, baby girl, cause of the creep, baby. You didn't know this from the start. You didn't know I'll take your heart. You didn't know I'll play that part. You didn't know. You, baby girl, just got caught. You, baby girl, stole my heart. You, baby girl, fit that part. You, baby girl.